Namaskara YouTube, ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ? Hope all of you are doing fine. I would not ask what is up because it's corona everywhere, and I'm tired of listening to that word corona. It was fine when corona was just a beer. Now it is a name of a virus as well, and how do I put it across? Not a very great thing to hear. Uh, Today we are riding to Nani Tupa Dosa or Hotel Nani. It is in Shidlaghatta. We have to take the airport road or the highway to Chikbalapura, and there's a small deviation in between. You will find it on Google Maps anyhow. So it's been a long time. My last ride was somewhere in February. It's only after that I'm riding today. So I could not put out any videos, and it wasn't that safe as well. It is not that it is very safe now either, but the new normal is sinking in, and this is the way the life has to go from now on. So after such a long time, I'm back on my saddle, and as you can see, this is the formation. We are close to 5 bikes today. Oh, sorry, 6 including me. We started at 5:30 in the morning from Hebbal, and it's 6:30 now. We had stopped for tea as well. So after the break, we are riding now to Shidlaghatta. Since there was no light when I started the ride, I started the vlog now. Hoping the hotel will be open when we go there. Expecting some good roads covered with greenery. We will stop for photo shoot. So talking more about the place, this place is Hotel Nani. It is 15 kilometers away from the Chikbalapur junction. I'm not sure if it is the Chikbalapur junction, but on the way to Nandi Hills you do find a huge circle that comes. So it is 15 kilometers from there, a slight deviation. So that would be one landmark for people to identify this particular spot. So if any one of you would want to do a small breakfast ride, you can consider this place as I suggested. As you saw, it's greenery on both the sides, and it is quite refreshing, being frank, to ride in such roads. So do keep watching the video, and I'll get back to you guys.
Music is bringing little flames in the fire that keeps burning. We're inviting the night in. Welcome, my heart's so full. I'm devoting myself to the night. There's no motive. We're just listening. We're existing.
Hello people, welcome back to the vlog. I hope all of you saw the food videos which were there. And yes, that was Nani Tuppa Dosa, very tasty food, an enjoyable breakfast and a very sweet ride. We are done with the breakfast now and we are returning back to Bangalore. So probably another pit stop is what I'm expecting, just for a cup of tea or something. So post that we'll be riding back to Bangalore. I'll be straight home. So that's how the Sunday is spent. For us, the Sunday morning it went breezy, and yes, of course, with a very good breakfast. So that's how it's been now. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Please do share, like, and subscribe. I'm hoping to reach 100 followers with this video, 100 subscribers, I mean. So go ahead, share it with your friends. Tell them what an amazing vlogger I am. So the more you share, the more subscribers I get, and that's how we are gonna expand this Metanoia on Wheels family. The intention with having more number of subscribers is not to become a big YouTube channel. That will more or less be a result of growth in the number of subscribers and likes and views as well. But the main intention is to inspire people to travel more on motorcycles. That is the intention of this channel. No one should be bound by any kind of limitations. That is to say, it should not come like, oh, I have just a moped, or I have this cc of bike, or I have this class of bike. Can I do two-wheeler rides? Can I travel on my two-wheeler? So that shouldn't be a doubt on anyone's mind, because it is more of a riding spirit that matters than the machine that we own. Because man makes a machine at the end of the day. A machine can never make a man. So yes, it is the core agenda of having this channel, to inspire people, to tell them to make vlogs, to make friends. More than subscribers, I would never consider you people as my subscribers. All my subscribers will be the friends that I have not met yet. So go ahead, share this channel with all your friends. You can also follow me on Instagram. It is the same name, Metanoia on Wheels, or you can just search for Rakesh Ram. That would be me. So go ahead and do it. So I'll see you all in the next vlog. Bye until then. Stay home, stay safe. Even if you're traveling, keep the basic safety measures in mind, and travel well. Travel well, travel more, and Godspeed. See you all in the next vlog.
No, there ain't no stopping us. Fly without boarding pass. Couldn't catch me, I'll be moving fast. Call me a shooting